Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make grilled Caesar salad. First, select 2 to 3 crisp romaine lettuce hearts, ensuring they are fresh and firm. Next, preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, aiming for around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While the grill heats, gather your favorite Caesar dressing, some crunchy croutons, and a block of parmesan cheese for grating. This initial preparation sets the stage for a delicious meal. Once your grill is ready, have the romaine hearts lengthwise and brush the cut sides lightly with olive oil. Place them cut side down on the hot grates. Grill each side for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until you see some nice char marks and the edges begin to soften slightly. The goal is to warm and char the lettuce, not to cook it through, so keep it crisp. After grilling, let the romaine cool for a moment, then chop it into bite-sized pieces. Transfer the chopped lettuce to a large bowl. Now, it's time to add your favorite creamy Caesar dressing. Toss everything gently to ensure each piece is coated. Finally, sprinkle generously with crunchy croutons and freshly grated Parmesan cheese for that classic Caesar finish. Your grilled Caesar salad is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to experience the delightful contrast of warm, smoky lettuce and cool, creamy dressing. For a more substantial meal, consider topping it with some perfectly grilled chicken or shrimp. This salad is a fantastic side dish or a light main course. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. It's a refreshing twist on a classic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.